Hello everyone! Today we are doing those beautiful sourdough buns. This recipe, so easy, no stiff levain, no sweet levain, everything just you take your sourdough starter, do your dough, wait it when it doubled in size, and that's all. Let's get started.
If you are watching this video now, probably you use sourdough for your daily life. Even though sourdough is much more healthier than commercial yeast, to get nice results, it requires stiff levain or overnight cold fermentation. Sometimes with our busy lives, we need some instant recipe. Personally, I use this recipe in two cases. First, when I need some bread for the morning and I have no time to do any cold fermentation or stiff levain. And second, when I need to discard my sourdough starter. Imagine situation, you just came from job and you realize that for the morning you don't have any bread. What you do right away around, for example, 5 in the evening, you take care of your sourdough starter, and after maybe 4 or 5 hours, just before going to sleep, knead your main dough and leave it overnight room temperature fermentation. And in the morning, about 7, 6, shape your dough, let it rest about 30 minutes and bake it. The inspiration for this recipe I got from my grandmama. When I was little, I remember just before going to sleep, she used to do her main dough. And for the morning, we were always happy to have freshly baked bread from our grandmama. Conclusion: don't complicate your life. Just do your dough with strong sourdough starter, wait when it gets doubled in size, shape your dough, cool it for 30 minutes and bake it. And in the end you will have wonderful result. If you will do this recipe, don't forget tag me on social medias that I know that it was useful for you guys. Bye!